everyone, this is Sandy Crane the Heart, and I know I promised you guys a gigantic destash. I am still going through all the different things that I have to go through. I'm probably about 95% done gathering up all the stuff that I want to destash. I had moved from my bedroom into my spare room about 2 years ago, and I didn't move everything over. A lot of things I just kept because I had space, but now I need to really clean out my master and make it strictly into more of a bedroom. I move all my craft stuff over into here, and I have a lot, so I'm having to really do a lot of weeding. And of course, it's just a matter of, if you haven't used it in a while, it's like, are you going to? And maybe not. So it's huge. I'm waiting for boxes. There are no boxes to be found at my post office. I ordered them December the 12th, and usually I get them in a couple of days. Did not get them, and it makes sense with the backlog at the post office. So I imagine I'll probably get them this week or next week, and then I'll just do my giant destash. I would show you if I could figure out how this camera works. It's in the middle of my craft room. It's a huge pile of stuff. I've got Authentique, I've got Maggie Holmes, Crate Paper, Echo Park, I've got dies, stamps. It's a lot of stuff. So stay tuned for that. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, subscribe so that you will know when that's going to hit. But it will be hitting in the next week or two, as soon as I get my shipment of priority boxes. But let's go ahead and get into my haul. So I did a giant haul, basically Christmas shopping for myself. Pretty much no one buys myself gifts, so there you go. So I'm going to start off with, let me get this out of the way, I don't want to share that, the stamp market. So for the stamp market, I bought this swatches stamp set. I want to do a better job at being organized, at not buying the same stuff twice, knowing what inks I have, what's the next thing I need to buy, so that I'm more mindful of what I already have too. So that is really a goal of mine, is just to be better organized. So that stamp market, I got that. I got this one. I just like the different types of sentiments in this one. Hey gorgeous, heads up, you got this. Just a little note for you. Hello my friend, I've been missing you, which I think is really great right now. Thank you, you're pretty swell. For you, you sweet thing, it's been a minute, how are you? Happy everything. Oh yes, you did it. And this is another one that I think is a fabulous kind of sentiment stamp with very different types of sentiments. This is like a kindness matters. Where there is great kindness, there's great gratitude. Thank you for your kindness. Who's got the biggest heart I know? So these are great for thank you cards, just regular kindness cards. So I got that one. I've been wanting this. It's really big. It's the Cookie Alphabet. So I have the Cookie and Cooling Rack stamp set, which I think in some ways it's geared towards Christmas, but I'm trying to do some Valentine's Day stuff with that. So stay tuned for that. And then a couple of things. I really loved this one. This is Magical Birthday, and it's like a Disney themed one, but what I loved about it was kind of like the Frank Garcia, it's just this different color palette, which I love, so I had to get it. Magical Birthday Girl, and they have a boy one too, but I feel like the regular Disney will work very well for a boy, so this one I just thought was a little bit more unique. I just love the color palette, so I did get that one, and I also got the 6x6 in this one. I do want to do more with my Cricut. I do want to do more with my Disney stuff, so I need to get back into doing that. And then the Witches and Wizards. So I also got more on there. I got the matching coordinating solids. So I got that. The Witches and Wizards. So Harry Potter. Don't know what I'm going to do with it. I have been to Harry Potter World. I don't know if I want to save this because I do have another one by Photoplay Paper. So I don't know. I don't know what I want to do with it, but I love it. It's really, really cute. And so it's, you know, Harry Potter themed one. Really, really cool. So that's new by Echo Park. And then I got this one, Cupid and Company. I have an idea of what I want to do with this one in particular. We'll see if that works out for me. But this is just a really kind of a pretty Valentine's Day one. And then I got this, even though, you know, I used to play basketball years ago, and my niece plays, and she's an amazing player. So I thought it would be really fun to make an album. I could ask my sister for pictures, and I could put pictures in there and make her a basketball album. So I thought that would be fun. And then I went ahead and I did get the ephemera for this one. Because it's one of those ones where I don't have a lot of other stuff that's going to go with this unless I cut some stuff out with my Cricut. But really cute. Number 24. No, I could swear she's number 20. Wouldn't it be funny if she's number 24? I'll have to look at the past pictures I have of her and see if she's number 24, because that would be amazing if she was. Because that would be super amazing. And then a gingerbread Christmas. Now, I got all of these, I believe, from a Cherry on Top. This set of stuff I got from a Cherry on Top. And this is a gingerbread Christmas. And so the gingerbread Christmas, I wanted the 6x6, but it was sold out in Cherry on Top. And I also wanted the 6x6 of the Wizards one, also sold out Cherry on Top. So I went elsewhere, which I'll show you in a second. But for my love of gingerbread, I had to get this, even though I really didn't do much with gingerbread this year because I was doing my snow and cocoa and trying to, you know, get through that. And I did, so it's out of my house now. So let's see. The next thing was I did a very small order with Spellbinders because I have the Sunday Drive stamp set already. And then I wanted to buy the add-ons that go with it. So one, they have the Halloween one, which they've been sold out for months. I haven't been able to get my hand on that one. I got the Sunday Drive with Santa, which, of course, I didn't get a chance to use it, so boo-hoo. And the Sunday Drive with Valentine's Day wedding or whatever. So basically, I have the car already, the car stamp. It's like the main stamp, and then these ones go with that main stamp set. They're like add-ons to it. So I did get that, and I'm going to make a point of trying to use this freaking one before the season is over. But I think that's one that I can use all the time because it's like a hello and it's like wedding, you know, so other stuff can be used. Let's get this stuff out of here. I'm trying to put things away right away too, so there's that. Okay, so let's see. Let's do scrapbook.com. So scrapbook.com. Let's do that one here. I'm trying to get myself organized here. Okay, scrapbook.com. We'll get that later. Okay, I got this With Love by Frank Garcia. I got it in the A4 size, which is like, it's like an 8.5 by 11 kind of thing, but it's very pretty. It's got a very similar color palette to all his other stuff. So it's a very similar color palette to his Cookie Christmas and that one before, which I have somewhere. It's very similar to that one, but with hearts. With hearts. So I also went ahead and got the ephemera that goes with it and the flowers because they also go with the other collections too because they're all in the same color palette. So there is that. And then I also got the journaling note cards, and the same thing. It's the same color palette as all his other collections, so you could use this with those if you wanted to. And then I also got this, which is the toner stamp refill pads, because you can only use the refill, you know, you can't reuse them. So once they dry out, you got to use a different one. And I do want to pull out all my Heidi Swap and do a bunch of Heidi Swap stuff. Also, they did have at scrapbook.com a gingerbread Christmas in the 6x6, so I was able to pick that up. And they had the Witches and Wizards, which I ended up getting 2 of them, which one might end up in a D-stash because I don't know if I'm going to use 2 of them, but I might. I don't know. So I love it. So we'll see. And then from This is from Marker Pop. The free gift was from scrapbook.com were these little circle foam, not foam squares, or foam circles. And then I had done a Simon Says stamp order like a while ago, and so this got, I forgot to say that there was a free gift, which is the Tin Holtz Thinlits. It just happened to be in this pile, and I'm going to do something with this, I hope. I'm going to set this aside of my desk, which is a hot mess. And so that was from scrapbook.com, and then this is from Marker Pop. So I wanted the Lawn Fawn release. I got a lot of it sold out, so I did what I could. So I got this, which is a stencil, but it is separate stencils, so you can stencil the heart, and then you can stencil the words. They all fit on top of each other, so you can do different colors. So it's 2 stencils. So that's fun. I got this, which is the Lawn Fawn camera die that goes with, I think it goes with the Magic Iris, which I love, and I'm getting the hang out of it the more. And I've seen them use other things. I think you can buy a different add-on to have it do the shutter fly thing too. And I think you can do the one where you can do the pull tab. So I'm going to fool around with that. But the camera die is a nice die that you can use for lots of things and just separate without, I mean, you don't have to make it into something special. You could do a regular card with that. And then I got the Birdhouse die, which is also a Magic Iris. So you could do the little Magic Iris little thing where it hides a little message. Or it could just be a birdhouse. So I love that. I think it's pretty versatile. The release is super cute. So I got this one, which is the special delivery. And then I got the die that goes with it. And then I got the special delivery box add-on and the die. And then here is a stencil, and this is the pull tab that you can use. The way that they show it is you can use the pull tab to make the wings on the birdie or the owl move. So you can pull it up and down and the wings move. So stay tuned for that. I don't know I'm going to get all the time for that, but I will make time to do that because I think it'll be amazing and fun. Let's see. I also have a CC Designs on. They had a big clearance. I bought a bunch of stuff on clearance. All this stuff, I don't even think it even hit $50. It was in a massive clearance. I got the Wonderland paper pad, which I have a bunch of Alice stuff I want to use. So I got that. This one is Girly Girl Sentiments. So really cute. You're my star. You make my heart spin. Twinkle, twinkle, my little star. You're my star. Wishing you bright sunny days. Pink makes everything better. You're the best. So cute. And then this does a space scene. It was a steal, so I had to get that. It's the outer space. And then I got this one, which I'm pretty sure I don't have. This is the February, March. It's like a Valentine's Day or St. Patrick's Day, I guess. And the die. And then I got this one, which is Adorbs. And this one is December, January. It's a Christmas one. I don't even know how I guess I could use this for winter. I'm trying to figure out how I can still use this, but probably not. And the die. And then I got this, which is the April, May. So you've got very spring, Happy Mom's Day and all of that with the die. So there's that. So that was a really, really good deal. And then Paper Tray Ink. You know they're doing big clearances, and so you can get lots of things for amazing. I got this one, which was an amazing price, whatever it was. I don't even know what my thing is, but with this one, you got these 2 giant butterfly dies along with the stamp set, which you can, I guess you can use it to put little wings in there. Yeah, you can use it for the wings. So anyway, I thought that was pretty amazing. So I'll have to play with that one, but it was a really good deal. And so I got that. And then this one is the Everyday Affection. So I liked the sentiments. This I love you more every day. I really like that one. So it was a really, really good deal. So I got that one because I couldn't pass up. The sentiments are a little unique. And then I got some dies in here. So let me see what I got. So I don't even know. Oh, I got this one, which is like, it's like a gift bag. And then it's got these hands you could put around, like it's holding, something's holding it. You could put a critter or a person, like they're holding this gift bag. And you can actually, if you want, probably then make it more into like a gift card holder type thing. But anyways, I got that. And then I got this tag die because it was a steal. And so that is what I got for now. It's pretty big. So I got a lot of stuff, and I actually did some more shopping after Christmas shopping. So there'll be another giant haul at some point to share with you. In between just some things on my channel, I am having a humongous de-stash. I'm trying to guess how many boxes and things it'll be. It'll probably be a 10 or 12 item thing. It's pretty big. I have a lot of stuff. And then, let's see if I can show you. Oh my God. What's upside down? I can't show you. Sorry. It's in the middle of my room, and it's driving me crazy. And then I'm going to be just doing some how to keep, you know, how to extend the life of your Christmas and winter items before you put them away. Different things, different ideas on how you can use those items before you put them away, especially like scraps and bits and pieces and things that you just don't want to deal with. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is Cindy of Crafty Haul.